Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for silver. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So I had to start off on the monthly time frame because this is not a pair I normally look at. And in order to understand what's going on, you definitely have to be on these really high time frames because this is where the clarity is. As my old mentor used to say, it's all about the search for clarity. Once you find that clarity, you have to apply it to all other time frames. Now, this is extremely clear to me to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Then we have impulsive up, nice break of structure, wave A. And then we have a very clear 1, 2, 3 waves down, wave B. So we have an A, we have a B, and then we have a 1, we have a corrective wave 2, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. Now the question is whether the wave 4 is complete or not. On the shorter time frames, I definitely do see 3 waves down. So I think there's a good chance that we are already in a wave 5 of wave C. The most likely area for a wave 5 of wave C to go is the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of wave B. So I'm looking for about a little 36 and a half, maybe $37 an ounce to possibly finish off this ABC correction before it potentially starts another big move to the downside. So let's take it all the way down to the daily time frame and zoom out just a little bit. So on the daily, the end of that wave 3 is right here. And then I see what is clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, wave A. 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. Then impulsive down, took out the lower wave A, wave C. That means that more than likely the correction is already over, and more than likely we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive move to the upside for the wave 5. Like I said, probably at least a 36 and a half, maybe 37, $38 area would be my target for that. So now that we understand that, we need to go down to the very short time frames, and then we can look at this whole move up right here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Most likely it's only a wave 1 of that wave 5 I've been showing you on the higher time frames. This move down is more of a trend in my eyes, probably a wave A. We're probably are going to drift up, but the move up is probably a wave B, and then we're probably going to go down for a wave C. I think we're going to go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement just based on the proportions of this wave A, based off where I would expect the wave B to finish. So I would expect to see probably an overlapping corrective pattern, probably lasting at least into next week, maybe a little bit longer to finish off the wave 2 before we potentially end the correction and go up and make a wave 3. And we do have interest rate news next week for the US, and maybe that's what's going to cause the end of this wave 2 and the continuation of the uptrend for a wave 3, which should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern to the upside for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.